water reservoir. So the first step to clean the water reservoir is to vacuum all the bad water with this shop vac, and I will show you. With this shop vac, we will vacuum all the dirt and dust from the corners, so the water reservoir is now left with any soil or cocoa particles. So we have to make sure that we are vacuum up everything from the water reservoir. And after vacuuming, we will clean the reservoir with the vinegar and water solution and use a microfiber cloth to clean the water reservoir. And after cleaning the water reservoir with a vacuum and with a microfiber cloth, we'll fill the fresh water. So yeah, this is all how we clean the water reservoir every time in a couple of weeks when it gets dirty.